Belle and today we are here again with OrangeTee entire Asia division at Draycott 8, a unique and high-end property with a luxury living of 153,000 square feet of only a low density of 136 units. This 16,000 square feet heritage building has been conserved and converted into a clubhouse that houses many facilities such as the sauna, steam bath, gym, there's even a massage room, theatre, billiard table, library, wine cellar that is not commonly found in most luxury condominium projects. Here at the penthouse and look at this panoramic view from the balcony. Now, with the large land size, the blocks are not built too close to each other, so privacy is also ensured. The living room comes with high double volume ceiling and a huge full panel glass window with a beautiful unblocked city view. Now, every unit has an exclusive lift access, and for the shoe lovers, the private lift lobby area is a great place to store all of your shoe collection. The spacious dining areas also allows you to place a large dining table to host your guests. The open concept kitchen also comes with a newly renovated kitchen top and also 2 rows of carpentry for your storage and cooking needs. The unit comes with very efficient layout with minimum walkway leading to the bedrooms. The 2 large common rooms comes with a Jack and Jill toilet, and the rooms are also large enough to fit a king-size bed and large wardrobe spaces. Next, we are at the ensuite junior master bedroom, which is huge with ample space for your bed as well as wardrobe spaces. Now, the ensuite toilet is also fully cladded with high-end marble as well as a bathtub. Alright, and now let's check out the most important room of this unit, the grand master bedroom. The room has ample space for a king-size bed and is also fully surrounded with full panel view of the city landscape, and after a long day at work, you could have a glass of wine while sitting at the balcony enjoying the beautiful city view. The master toilet is hidden within the full high wardrobe space, which leads you to a luxurious toilet that comes with a fifth and car sink. The whole toilet is also fully cladded with high-end marble finish. Do you think we are done yet? No! Now let's check out a huge rooftop terrace space which allows you to host your guests for rounds of wines and barbecue dinner. The roof terrace space comes with a nice landscape corner for plant lovers, and this space is so huge that you can easily host the rooftop parties for at least 20 packs or more. I hope you've enjoyed our home tour at this luxurious penthouse at Draycott area, right next to the main orchard belt. Now, if you're looking for a penthouse that is under $2,500 per square foot, hurry up and contact our exclusive agent, Mr. Sean Ng of OrangeTee entire Asia division at 8300-3838. Now, once again, my name is Belle and I'll see you again.